Hey guys, and comment if I sound like Kaye, the YouTuber. This trick, I think. Over here, and we're gonna jump through over here. Oh nah! Oh no! Yes, sir! The originator broke.